picture of experimental setup. So now we are going to start that experiment. So student, for this experiment we required a slightly deep dish like a saucer. We also required one candle and one glass tumbler. It is a one glass tumbler. So student, now we are going to start this experiment. Okay students? So student, take a slightly deep dish like this saucer and then stand a candle at the center. Then fill this with the water. I take here colorful water so you can see the magic. Fill this dish with the water. I take here colorful water because you can easily observe what is actually happens here. Now student, light this candle with the help of matchstick. So student, here I light this candle. Are you able to see all students? I light this candle with the help of matchsticks. Then in next step, you have to place the glass tumbler over the candle. Now see, candle is lighting. Okay, when I place the glass tumbler, what do you see? See carefully. The candle is lighting, but after some time you will see the different thing. See carefully. The water level also decreases. Means where does this water go? This water rises in that glass tumbler. Okay student, I will show you. Students, see carefully. The water level is rises inside the gas tumbler. Okay students, are you able to see? See carefully. So student, what do we see? Yes, you can see the candle goes out and the level of water inside the glass tumbler rises up to a certain level. Why does this happens? Yes, it happens because one of the constituent of air helps burning. As it gets used up, water rises in the glass. When that constituent is finished, the candle goes out and the water level also stop rising. This constituent of air helps for burning is called as oxygen. Means the constituent of air that helps in burning is called as oxygen. Now student, this oxygen is help in burning. It means in the air there are many gases, or you can see that the air is the mixture of many gases. I hope student you have understood this experiment and how the oxygen helps in burning. And also the oxygen gas is present in air. Okay students, you understood? You have to do this experiment at your home, and it is very easy, and all things also available at your home. It is not required to take colorful water. You can take simple water also. I took here colorful water because you are easily able to see the water level rises in the glass tumbler. Okay students, in next video we will see the different constituent present in the water. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.